Hey everyone, welcome back to another 2 Minute Tuesday episode of Bald Prairie Real Estate, where we talk about one real estate related topic in 2 minutes or less. Today we're talking about credit scores. What makes up your credit score? Because we know credit scores are important when buying a house in Canada. Let's put 2 minutes on the clock and get into it. I think most people understand when you're buying a house in Canada, you're going to need a good credit score to qualify for that mortgage. But what if you don't have a good credit score? Don't worry, I got you covered. Right here, 2 Minute Tuesday episode on tips you can use to improve your credit score. But what makes up that credit score? What types of factors go into determining what that is? Well, 35% of your credit score is determined by your payment history. So have you been making all your payments on time, or have you been missing payments, or not making them at all, or making them later? That's going to impact your score. 30% of your credit score is determined by how much money you owe. So if you have a line of credit with some money due on it, or car payment, that all goes to your credit score, 30% of it. 15% of your credit score goes to how long you have had credit for. So a long history of credit is very good. So don't cancel those credit cards that you've had for a while, even if you don't use them, because that's 15% of your score. 10% of your score is how many recent credit inquiries you have. Banks look at people who have been constantly applying for credit as maybe less likely to be able to make those payments. And the last 10% is what type of credit you have. Do you have lines of credit? Do you have credit card debt? Do you have car payments? That type of stuff. So that is what makes up your credit score. You know what you can do to immediately get a 50-point bump on your credit score? Right there, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Bald Prairie Real Estate. No, that isn't gonna work, but you will become a more educated buyer. You know everything you need to know about buying a house in Canada. The qualification process is a lot more complex than just your credit score. And I've done a ton of videos on that, which I'm gonna put in the description below. But that's what you need to know about what encompasses your credit score. Hey, thanks for watching another episode of 2 Minute Tuesday. Wanna watch another one? Right here, 2 Minute Tuesday playlist coming right at you. What about what's going on in your housing market? Well, right here is my most recent Canadian real estate market update, so you know what's going on in your housing market. Thanks for watching.